But the latest on Beryl, we saw the 4 p.m. update that was just released. It is a Category 2 hurricane with winds at 110 miles an hour, moving west-northwest at 20 miles an hour. It has left Jamaica, definitely making its impact, slowly nearing the Yucatan Peninsula, affecting those popular tourist destinations of Tulum, Cozumel, and Cancun, and that is expected to make landfall at some point tonight. So we are expecting a landfall in and around Cozumel by 1 a.m. Friday, and we are expecting to see forecast winds at 100 miles an hour. Once it comes in contact with land, it will weaken significantly into a tropical storm, but the million-dollar question and what we're waiting for is the emergence of Beryl once it moves back over open water, and that's expected to be around Saturday at 1 a.m. And once that happens, that's where we're going to see a better understanding of how far north and south this landfall is going to make once it reaches Brownsville or North Mexico. So we are expecting this to landfall in around South Texas, Rio Grande Valley by Monday afternoon with winds at 50 miles an hour. It will eventually weaken into a tropical depression as it makes its way into South Texas. But as we go into looking at the impacts, it's always important to note that a distant hurricane can always still be deadly, even though it's hundreds of miles away from us. So expect those high rip current risks along our coastal area starting on Sunday and lasting through Wednesday. As we look at that 7-day rain potential, we could see up to 5 to 7 inches of rainfall and in and around from just south central Texas to South Texas. This is something that we're keeping an eye on. We are tracking this as we're going to get a better understanding once that reemergence of Beryl moves over open water. So we are tracking those rain chances. We could get up to maybe 2 inches of rain here in Houston, but definitely expecting that to continue as we go into the next hour or so. So of course, as a disturbance behind Beryl has a 10% chance of development within the next 7 days, very low chance. It has been downgraded. We were at a 20 this morning. Of course, it's running into used up energy as it makes its way across the Caribbean, all thanks to Beryl as it makes its landfall. So for that